Empathy is the key to successful sales. It's all about understanding and sharing the feelings of your prospects and customers. By doing so, you can build stronger relationships, address needs, and close deals more effectively. Here's how you can apply empathy in your sales approach, Fares. 1. Build stronger relationships. Put yourself in their shoes and understand their concerns. This will establish trust and rapport, leading to long-term customer loyalty. 2. Understand customer needs. Being empathetic helps you identify and address the specific needs and pain points of your customers. 3. Tailor your approach. By understanding the emotions and motivations of your prospects, you can align your sales approach with their preferences and concerns. 4. Handle objections with sensitivity. Responding with empathy. When a prospect raises concerns, allows you to address their worries effectively, acknowledge their feelings, and provide thoughtful, empathetic responses to overcome objections. 5. Enhance customer experience. When customers feel understood and valued, they develop a favorable view of your brand and remain loyal. 6. Providing exceptional service that reflects empathy creates repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Improve communication. Empathy fosters open and honest dialogue, making customers more likely to communicate openly with you. This improved communication leads to better insights and more effective solutions. 7. Build trust and credibility. When prospects and customers see your genuine interest in their well-being, they trust your recommendations and view you as a reliable partner rather than just a salesperson. 8. Cultivate emotional intelligence. Enhancing your emotional intelligence improves your overall sales effectiveness. This involves understanding and managing your own emotions and recognizing and influencing the emotions of others. 9. Practice active listening. Active listening is crucial for empathy. Fully focus on the speaker, understand their message, and respond thoughtfully. 10. Reflect and adapt. Regularly reflect on your interactions and seek feedback to understand how effectively you apply empathy in your sales process. Adapt your approach to continuously improve your empathetic skills and enhance your sales effectiveness. By integrating empathy into your sales approach, you can build stronger relationships, better understand customer needs, and provide a more personalized and effective sales experience. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share for more tips.